In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do VLookup in LibreOffice Calc. VLookup is a powerful function that searches for a value in the first column of a table and returns related information from another column in the same row. It's perfect for looking up prices, names, or any detail tied to an ID. Here's the formula you'll use. Equals VLookup, open parenthesis, search value, semicolon, table range, semicolon, column number, semicolon, sorted, close parenthesis. In Calc, the arguments are separated by semicolons. The search value is what you want to find. The table range is the block of cells that holds your data. The column number tells Calc which column to return from, counting from the left of your table range, starting at 1. And the sorted argument controls the match type. Use 0 for an exact match or 1 for an approximate match. Most of the time, you'll want 0 for accuracy. If you ever use 1, make sure the first column of your table is sorted in ascending order, or the result may be unreliable. Let's walk through a simple example. Imagine a small table with 3 columns, A, B, and C. Column A is ID, column B is name, and column C is price. The rows look like this. 1001 is apple with a price of 2, 1002 is banana with a price of 3, and 1003 is orange with a price of 4. Our goal is to look up the price of the item with ID 1003. Click into the cell where you want the answer. Type the formula exactly like this. Equals VLookup, open parenthesis, 1003, semicolon, A2 to C4, semicolon, 3, semicolon, 0, close parenthesis. It should look like equals VLookup 1003 A2 C4 3.0. Press Enter. Calc searches for 1003 in the first column of the range A2 to C4, finds it on the row with orange, then returns the value from the third column in that same row, which is the price 4. A few quick tips to make this more flexible. Instead of typing 1003 directly, you can reference a cell that contains the ID, like D2. So your formula becomes each VLookup D2.A2 C4.3.0. If you plan to copy the formula down, lock the table range with $signs as A2 C4 to keep it fixed. And remember, VLookup always searches the first column of your specified range, so make sure your lookup values live there. That's it. With this setup, you can quickly retrieve matching information from your tables and keep your sheets accurate and efficient.